Meghalaya is well known for its rainfall, receiving the highest amount of rainfall in the planet throughout the year. But despite this abundant rainfall, there are many parts of the state that face water scarcity. Similar fate is experienced by the village of Mawphanlur in West Khasi Hills of Meghalaya. Despite the availability of greater lakes around the hilltop, the village still faces water scarcity due to their inability to harvest the rainwater or due to their location on hilltops where water is absent.
Sibun kicing hakabaya day pat kaneka te nikong ni yakandu kicing haki yang kisam kijongi nang ta haki skor te tang yo iba ki kena skor kabamot ni lekai kumto haki skor iba ki kena skor mut ki don ki itaj ba tengah keli orang boleh ditaj kumne ki ong taj ba namar ba menam step haying rungi lara nang ta menta ngil ondang ilawan haskoro ni hapra namar haskor ni syadjang kumto tin de namar kata kadau ni kasnong ni sngoto bangi don hapdeng jong kajing don hapdeng jong kajing.
After years of struggle to find a solution, the village was finally able to get one, when a joint initiative between the Meghalaya Basin Development Authority (MBDA), the Nagaland Empowerment of People Through Energy Development and GIS gave the village a hydraulic ram pump.
Kajimantoy kabangiyo habaya day bakanika merampom kabaningkong kadai bechpang kumno bangin yo bandi namar kabajenjar palat kadai bet kumno bangin yo bandi eki tahadin pade kajenjar bansum bansaj kamtam bat kipan khana namar kipan khana ladang imdon ki kamut kalong kabajaklia ya kasnong ru te kamut kadai nauta kadau bangi sakwa ban yo ya kabaningkong kadai ba kajing yarap kabedai bet baningkong kaya David na po kasnong hi kabaningkong ka yalam ban penyo ya ketika te hadin kata pade kani khabaya de berkaniga basin kawan te andin baka basin kalawan hang ni kapan itu kenyangi ya kumki krashnong nang ta hadin berkaliawan kiwan ban sarwe jaka ban kanlong ban le ya kataka ka kum ban yo te hadin kata pade ki le kumno ki wan ken ki ong bahap ai da ka rampom kanang ba pensuk ya kashnong.
A hydraulic ram pump or hydram is a cyclic water pump powered by hydropower. It takes in water at one end called a hydraulic head. The device uses the power generated by the flow of water to develop pressure that allows a portion of the input water to be lifted to a point higher than where the water originally started. The hydraulic ram pump is used to pump water from flowing source to an elevation higher than the source without any outside source of power other than the kinetic energy of flowing water.
Okay, the ram pump is a very simple machine. It just uses the power of water. Because water, when it flows downhill, it's got its own energy. So what the ram pump does is it uses that energy and pumps water by itself, by wasting a little water but pumping some of it up to a higher elevation where it can be used for anything. So I would say the main difference about the ram pump is it doesn't require any external power source or motor.
A traditional hydraulic ram has only two moving parts: a spring or weight-loaded waist, vault sometimes known as clock, vault, and a delivery check valve, making it cheap to build, easy to maintain, low cost, and very reliable. There is a drive pipe supplying water from elevated source and delivery pipe taking it a portion of water that comes through the drive pipe to an elevation higher than the source. In the year 2015-2016, the village members were sent to Nagaland for training on the installation of ramp pump.
Balai training syati sya po jongka Kohima, po Kohima jongka ni kan nepet. Te hadin bakila ai training kumtu kila ai barki theory barki practical kumtu kumut. Endang ila one page niru kalong hikaju.
The funding for the entire project was shared between MG and REGS 75% and IBDLP 25%, while GIS bore the cost of ramp pump and installation. The technical support for the installation was provided by the NEPED team from Nagaland.
Kaliang Jogja District Administration, especially DC, report by West Khasi Hills, nilai pet ikilah kilti kumno bana kada scheme bagi ke MG and RGS kila ban contribute hakaban penop kam ya kada jikmu. The habai de bagi project kidan kembali lai hado Southly ki lawanong ki department ki bedan benta away kada ga Meghalaya Basin Development Authority kabar kada ga GIZ kabalai kada ga CNRD lengba kada ga scheme NRGS bat gabasau kada ga NEPED banapo Nagaland kabade ka technical knowledge partners kaba yarap ban fabricate ikni ka pump bat menta ka singing smo buram babaro ngedan lang hangni bat bala ban inaugurate ikni ka project kabala lang chisha.
On 17 June 2017, a workshop on catchment area management and climate change awareness was conducted by the BDU and the Institute of Natural Resources with a resource person from NEPED team. The participants included residents of Mawphanlur and the villages around Mawphanlur that share the same watershed area. Additionally, nearby villages with potential for using ramp pump technologies also participated. The ramp pump was officially inaugurated on 6th of December 2017 by the Deputy Commissioner of West Khasi Hills District in the presence of officials from the Meghalaya Basin Development Authority, NEPED, GIS and local residents.
This convergence, is not at just the local level, not by the departments alone. This is national level and even international level, led by GIC itself. We have team from NEPED, we have village communities, we have SCSTE which did the water filter. Previously the water was not potable, although ramp pump, the hydraulic ramp pump worked beautifully. The water that we drew from pond was not potable, so we had to seek the suggestion of we've sent comments from PHE. That didn't work out. Then we had to approach the SCST, which was kind enough to install one water filter, because of which now we have a drinkable potable water coming right from the source and supplying to various households in this village. I would hope that this is just the beginning, Mawphanlur, and we have many other villages to come in the months and years to come. I already have a list of villages which are going to take up ramp pump, hydraulic ramp pump through convergence this year under Mawphanlur block.
People of Mawphanlur have long suffered the scarcity of water, but now after the installation of ramp pump, these challenges are expected to greatly reduce. Though the ramp pump is yet to be fully operational, the villagers have seen its potential are hopeful that soon they will be able to use the water generated through it for their day-to-day use.